Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Well guys, you appear in IELTS exam, then for 10 working days you wait for your result, and one fine morning, usually on Friday, you check your result and you become happy to see your result in 2 modules. But one of my students has appeared like he got 5 band in writing and 5.5 band in speaking. Like, sometimes when you see your result, you are happy. Otherwise, when you see your result, you are furious. Fast and furious. Oh my God. 5 band in writing and 5.5 band in speaking. How come? Right? So this student of mine, he had watched a video like you're watching now on EOR, Inquiry on Results. So he decided to go for Inquiry on Results. And there is fee for inquiry on results. If you apply EUR on 1 module or on 4 modules, the fee is same. That's why apply EUR on all 4 modules. And if your band score changes, you get your money back. And if the band score remains same, then your money is gone. Okay? Yeah, that is penalty for wasting their time. And they return your money, that is penalty for them, that it was their negligence. Okay, anyway, so this student applied for EUR, and you can apply EUR within 3 weeks of your IELTS test result. His reading band score did not change. His writing band score changed from 5 to 5.5. Okay, then his listening band score did not change, but his speaking band changed from 5.5 to 6. So half band increment in 2 modules. What does it mean? One examiner rated his speaking at 5. Another examiner rated his speaking at 5.5. Writing. Then one examiner rated his speaking at 5.5 and another one rated his speaking at 6.5. Now when to apply for EUR? When you see there is half band, for example, speaking 5.5, writing 5.5, that is a good indicator. You can apply for EUR, number 1. Number 2, if there is a difference between your speaking and writing band, for example, speaking 7, writing 5.5, writing 6.5, speaking 5. So whenever there is a difference like that and there is that half band thing, that is when you need to consider applying for EUR. And EUR changes your band score if you deserve it. Alright, it's not if you desire it. Some students think if we apply EUR, they give us half band extra because we pay the fee for that. When they change your band score, they return your fee. Then why will they do that? They make profits when they don't change the results. Okay, they make loss when they actually change the result. Okay, so you can apply for EUR. If the band score changes, you get your money back. The fee is same whether you apply EUR on 1 module or all 4 modules. Okay. For further details, you need to contact with your test center, British Council or IDP, and they will let you know the procedures and the formalities for EUR. All the best, guys. Thank you so much. I offer IELTS test booking service in Pakistan if you are interested, and we also offer IELTS online and in-campus classes online all over the world and in-campus in Lahore. If you're interested, you can contact me for that. And we offer wonderful webinar within 7 days before your IELTS exam. If you're interested in the webinar, all the details will be given on WhatsApp. Please contact me on WhatsApp. Asad Yaqub truly wishes you all the best. Take care. Allah Hafiz.